Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E550 4MATIC. This one's an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A gray leather interior, sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler, E550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a lane keep assist, blind spot assist, Distronic Plus, pre-safe. Also includes the Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, black wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Got navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E550 has 77,488 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.